Irregular cycle? Do you even remember when your last period was? Well, let me help you out. It's Anita Tatavarthi, your acupuncturist friend. I'm going to give you 2 tips. One is a lifestyle tip, and the second is an acupressure point. And so what you're going to do for me is get yourself some really great organic castor oil. And then I want you to apply it topically every other night for 20 minutes. You can use so by using a castor oil pack. What the castor oil does is it creates a little bit of heat in the body, and it can help stimulate menstrual flow. I want you to do this every other night till you get 3 consistent cycles. The next tip that you can do while you're applying the castor oil pack is I want you in the form on the forearm. You can put your hand in this position or you can just relax with it, but on the apex of the forearm, from the elbow through the anatomical snuff box to the fingertip, I want you to gently apply pressure a couple minutes, couple times a day. Now you can do this on either forearm. Why is this acupressure point so powerful? Gosh, this is one of the most powerful wellness points in the body. It can stimulate blood flow not only to the lower abdomen, but also to the pelvic floor. It can help bring about ovulation, and it can also help you shed the lining of the uterus, causing a period. And when you are on your cycle, this is a powerful point that can help you with bloating and period cramps. You can't go wrong with this acupressure point. Just don't do it if you are pregnant, and do it till you get 3 consistent cycles and stop when you are pregnant. I want you to follow along with me for just a few more minutes. And what you can also do for me is go to our YouTube channel and you'll see a 30-day course. You can pick from any one of the acupressure points, including this one, and do it each couple minutes, couple times a day till you get 3 consistent cycles. And of course, work with your physician in helping you along the way. Remember, consistency is the name of the game. And if you can do this along with our tips, hopefully, flow will come into town for you regularly and you can be the best self that you want to be. I wish you all the best from your acupuncturist friend, Anita Tatavarthi.